All right, so let's start our second part with stack navigation. The first one I uploaded earlier. Okay, so in the second part, we are starting from configuring the header bar in React Navigation. So let's see what we have here. And stack navigator, stack the screen. Okay, if I copy it and paste it in my code. All right, home screen. Okay, at first, the title was as the name was, okay. But if we want to like update our title from home to my home, then we can do it just like this. Now it's my home. All right. So yeah, that was with the header and the header buttons. Let's say we want to add a button to our header, and let's copy up this theme stack to screen. All right, so let's create a logo title. I believe they have provided it too. Let's see a full example on Snack. All right, we have our logo title. Let's copy it. Let's use image since we haven't we can't access this page because we haven't any logo image in our directory. So we will be fetching from internet. Let's say React Native logo. Let's copy image address and let's try it. Yep, this is our logo. We just configured our header and like on the right corner, the styling is a bit messed up. Let's update it. And okay, color is FFF. We can convert into 000 black color so it may be visible. All right, on info click, we are getting alert. This is a button. Okay, on press, you can see it. The button press, this is a button and the styling. All good. So yeah, that was header buttons and with nesting navigators, let's see what we got. Okay, nesting navigator is nothing, just you can add another initial another set of navigators on the button click. You can like navigate to other page or that page. If this is app, is it the main screen? And let's see, we are going to okay, let's add an another navigation on the screen. So we are going to do it as since we are using stack and go to home page. Component will be home screen. All right, let's see. Go to details. Okay, first go to other page. Let's see. Yeah, instead of details, I can update it to other. All right, you can see the button here. Go to home. On clicking that, we are just navigated to the home page. So yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you. The documentation is pretty much easy for React navigation. You can like literally read it out and see what goes out. Thank you.